Good morning, guys. It's your boy here, Mike Vlogs TV today, or Curtis Vlogs, and it's gonna be an amazing day. And just going for a walk. Mom, what are you doing? Careful. Careful, Mom. Careful. I don't know what you want. What? Nothing? You got a lot. Yeah. Who? Really? You're leaving tomorrow? Oh, right. Right. Yeah. Well, Mom? You have a lot of TV to go through. Where's Auntie Raina?
Is she coming?
I don't see her. Oh, probably she went for a run somewhere.
She will come here first.
What?
She will come here.
I'm gonna go back up to get my drinks for myself.
You cannot be here.
What?
Maybe the afternoon is not here.
Huh?
And Daddy. Is Daddy coming?
He's not coming. He's gonna just watch.
Daddy not coming.
Where?
I can see you.
Huh?
I can see you.
She's wearing pinky orange.
Coming there.
What? Why did I press?
He's eating
So, it's a really good morning, okay? And it's only like 10:35, and it's like, look at the hat. It looks pretty cool. It looks pretty nice. And I should turn this light off. It's bloody hot in here. Turn this light off. Oh, much better. Much better, much better, much better. So, this is the room, guys. As you can see behind me, I have my camera gear, and I bring my camera gear to, go down to the pier and all that stuff, take photos, take videos, good thing like that. Ooh, I got something on my lens. Oh, one thing straight. If you gotta look good, you gotta smell good. I have so many colognes and I have sprays. I'm using Calvin Klein Eternity for Men. I'm not sponsored by them, but this is a good spray, and it's absolutely cool to have that as a spray when you go travel, because that's a lot easier. And I was like, that's just how it is. I'm just like focusing on that. And check out this picture, guys. All right. See what time is it? 10:39. Gotta check my phone. Mom, are you getting ready?
Yes.
Really want beautiful mom.
Hi.
We're gonna hang out.
How could my sorry, my son, thank you. Not really.
What? You take your camera too with you?